Hi, in today's video I want to talk about this Rheem Performance Platinum water heater that I just bought. My current water heater is 15 years old. I already had to replace heating elements, and I've replaced the anode rod a couple of years ago. One of the reasons I decided to replace it is that this water heater is 15 years old and it takes about $411 to run it. Now my garage is really hot. I live in Florida and my garage is usually about 85 degrees, even though I have insulation. And this water heater is a hybrid water heater, which means that I have an air conditioner on top of it. Because it has this heater pump, it also saves a lot of electricity. So I'm planning on saving a lot of money, and as you can see, to run this unit it will cost me about $100 per year. On top of that, this is a smart water heater where I'm gonna be able to monitor it with my smartphone. And another reason I bought it is they were on sale, so I paid not even $1,000 for this 40-gallon water heater, and till the end of the year you get a $300 tax credit. So after all the savings, basically this water heater cost me about $700. So it's a really great deal and has 10-year warranty. If you already replaced your water heater, you're probably used to connecting all the connections on top of water heater. So this is a hot water, cold water, and this is for the overflow. Now this one has connections in totally different spots. So the overflow, it's not on the top, it's right here on the side. So that's a pressure valve. Your hot water connection is right here. Cold water comes in from the bottom, and then you have a drain also on the bottom. So if you want to do connection of this water heater, you'll have to change a lot of connections. In this unit we have two heating elements, one on the bottom, one on the top, and according to what I see, we need 30 amp fuses, and upper element and lower elements are 4.5 kilowatts. Compressor on this unit takes about 12 amps. This unit works on 240 volts, 60 hertz. We have a 3/4 drain, so this is standard 3/4 connection, and I'm gonna try to get the top off so we can see what's underneath. The heat pump on this water heater has a filter just like in AC, so you need to clean this periodically. So here's what is inside of this heat pump on top. Also the parts, compressor, it's right here, coil, I don't know why it's banged like this, I'll have to straighten those. Then we have a fan that's going to blow out the cold air out, and right here we have anode rod, so you have a convenient access to it. I don't know how easy it's gonna be to remove it, but that's the location. And basically this is the top of this Rheem water heater. While I have the cover off, I'm going to straighten the coil. I don't know why it's banged like this. You may want to check it before you install it. So I'm just going to go and straighten those. Okay. I also want to show you one thing, that where the anode rod is located, you have this plastic ring around it, and there is very little space around it. And I watched the video of one guy who was trying to replace the anode rod because he had a sulfur gases accumulating in his water heater tank. So this is 1/16 socket, and if I push it all the way down, as I tried before, I'm not gonna do it again because this may get stuck, You really have to push it all the way down in order for you to remove the anode rod, because as you can see there is very little space around anode rod head and the plastic thing that surrounds it. So what the other guy was doing is basically he chipped off entire plastic ring to get to the anode rod. So if you have the same issue and if you cannot get to it, you may have to remove the plastic surrounding to get better access to anode rod. So look at this, this was left from the manufacturer, so I need to fix it. So before you put your water heater into use, double check if it came properly installed from the manufacturer. In my next video I'm gonna show you how I replaced it. So thanks for watching guys, and goodbye.